'Cause loving you is easy. Feel like I'm a DJ or something. Man, there are no. uh, There's always something with my computer. Always something with my computer. There we go. What a time to be alive. And I don't think there will ever be a a different times of 2010s EDM and 2015's EDM and festivals and just beautiful songs and just the vibes. I took I took it for granted. Um, I used to love going to those concerts and so on. EDC, it was so fun. Now this song is 12 years ago. It's crazy. Anyways, let's talk about no more about EDM music and let's talk about trading, guys. Guys, today another day we did today we did one no, I was gonna say 1,000. Today we did um doesn't oh yeah, right there it says $958. We were up, I think in the morning we were up 400. We gave it away with like we were up 90 with like a big loss that we took, and then we came back positive throughout the day. $958, almost 1,000, guys. Um, the truth is that trading and every hour it gives you a different opportunities every minute of the day. So no matter where you are, if you're down 500, if you're down 1,000, you can come back. But with risk limiting your potential to go lower and so on, it's important. And I think that today we did a great job in like around 11, 12 here in this area. We did great, guys. So the Nasdaq's been really good to trade. I think over the long run, it's gonna give more consistency, like bigger swings through the day because more traders are coming in and so on. And the market's just been volatile. Like even if you see this short right here, this is about 44 all the way to 8. That's 40 points. With one mini contract, you get about $80 with one mini contract. $50 is 50 points is 100. It's crazy. So, let's talk about that. We're 3 days trading, 3 days, and right now we're up 2,900. Remember, we started off zero. First day was 1,300. Second day was 621, and then the third day is 952 or $58. I'm gonna talk about two trades that it was horrible. I think that would have been my day where I would have been red or green, and because of the news that was happening during the market, um, we can't even do anything about that. It was just news out of nowhere. N- It's just stupid. It's just stupid. And Top Step, what Top Step does, it limits your potentials of trading um, of trading news and trading that. And I believe that with sorry, I believe that with news, And trading news, you have to be very quick because you don't know if you're going to be right or wrong right away. And in my perspective, it comes with a lot of risk trading news, and that's why Top Step doesn't allow you to trade. But either way, we got caught in that and we were down. Um, so when I left the and I stopped recording, we stopped at this level. Where was it? Where was it? We took, and by the way, today, if you saw today, we took 440 contracts, about 147 trades. That's a lot of trades. That's I can't tell you guys, that's a lot of trades, but the way we trade is quick scalps, quick trading, understanding the levels right away, and so on. And for me, doing quick scalps and so on helps us limit the downside risk. So anyways, where is this? Sometimes I feel that anybody could hack my account, but honestly, I don't really care. All right, here. Here is the fills. So the fills come all the way down, all the way down. Wait, what is this? Doesn't want to low, but all the way down. And this was one of the trades that I want to go over with you guys. Um, we were up $800. This was annoying because we were up $800, and I understand at the end of the day, like I mean, right now we're up more, but this shouldn't have happened. But anyways, whatever, whatever. I can't do anything about it now. I think this one was at one. Yep, this one was at one. Where is that one? One, 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 one. Right here. Stupid, stupid, stupid trade. Hate, hate news. Anyways, whatever. All right. So you can see, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. Okay. Whatever. You guys get the point. All right. We were looking for this bounce. We were looking for a new 5 minute to make a new low and to retest and drop. And I think because this news happened, we pushed higher. And once the news happened, we just started trading higher. So here we got in. We're thinking that, let me go to this chart because it's a little bit bigger. Thinking that we're gonna sell off. I got in here. If you see in my trading, I sold one contract at 18,787s. So I was looking for the breakdown of the 1 minute. And if you see this wick, bro, when I tell you bro, it's a bro. Look at this. Wick got in. I think I got in at 12:59.19 at 87 right here. We were in the money right away, and then bam, straight up news, 100 points, literally 100 if you see here. And I hate fucking top step because I don't hate them now. I mean, let's see if we hate them more. And look, I tried to get out instantly 10 seconds after. No, yeah. After 3 seconds after buy, it rejected my order because it's news. They don't allow to trade news. Rejected my order again, and I'm like, fuck, we're gonna go way higher, and I'm gonna lose my whole account. First I thought it was that, and mind you, this is one mini contract, micro contract or micro contract. Then eventually I got filled at 18s, 18 seconds, three on 118, one no 1 p.m. with 18 seconds. I got filled in at 889. From 787 to 889, that's 102 points. Guys, what the fuck? That's $200. I was up 800 and went down um a all the way to 600. Either way, I was up. I I didn't mind it. I was up. I was like, you know what? I'm done trading. This shows us, and this is a. And remember, I was up 500, I think, and I was like, you know what? That's it for today. I'm done for today. I am done. I I'm okay with $500. I'm good. But I saw setups. This was a great setup. I think I got here and we got up to 800. Then, fuck, man. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't do anything. So I was like, you know what? Whatever. Whatever. We lose, and it's news. What are you gonna do? And you just never know when some people are gonna speak. Well, obviously, you know exactly when the Fed speaks or when Trump has an interview, or Trump has this. You know these things, so you can check and kind of assess if it's a good risk and reward. And look, literally at one, we were at the bottom. At the bottom, this is like probably the bottom. This is the bottom. We got caught in the bottom and we just went straight up. So I didn't want to buy the tops. I didn't want to buy this. I was looking for the break of 50 at the 50 EMA, looking for the break of 50 EMA, and then I got in here. I shorted some here in this move. What we've seen earlier in the markets was that early in the markets, what we've seen in the markets is that once price changes quickly or with news, especially this one, it went up to 100 points. It just sells off. It sells off. But you have to be quick and you have to give it till this week. I don't really know. I don't really know. So I don't like trading that, but once we start seeing the second minute, the third minute, then we start to pick up these trades right here, these ones. So we try to take the break. We lost some. It was like $10, nothing big. Look, it's like nothing crazy. We got it in and out quicks. Then I'm not used to talking a lot. Yelling a lot, yes. Coaching a lot, yes. But I'm not used to. So what was I saying? So the other great fill that I got in was I think we were up and got like where is this? I think we got like 40 points in here. Um and where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It was I know it was some sort of buy here at 122 and then we sold at 123, 122 with six contracts. 122.48, 122, 122.48, 122. Okay, 122. So we got in at 122. It was, yes, it was here. Of course, this move. Okay, 122. It broke the 50 EMA. We saw a break with um, a potential new high with the 5 minute and a break of this level. We were looking at these levels, which is this one right here. And we took the break at, I believe was 122 at 86.77s. Nope. 333 120 78. Oh, we kind of lost there. Kind of. Then we went on 906. Oh, yes, it was here. So 906, we took the break of this. Break of 900s here at 122. It was 122 here. Okay, we saw the break. There was volume coming in. If you see this volume, Look at this volume pushing up. We're like, okay, okay, it looks good. It looks good. Can volume maintain? And standard deviation was looking like it was trending higher. Okay, and we want to see a break of 900s right there. We broke it. And then it gave a huge push right away with volume. And in my theory or in my bias, we looked at a couple of things. Okay, so to assess the long trend, it was down. We broke the whole day. We broke the downtrend, right? We broke the downtrend. Look at this downtrend. We broke it, and then we're holding. We're holding. We're holding. We're holding. It gave us a wick. Pushed. We're not breaking. We're still below this line, which shows us that it's a short term. It's still holding though, which it shows us, ideally it shows us that if it doesn't want to break down, most likely will go up. And it kept pushing in and out, and we said it earlier, consolidation, consolidation. And if you do want to take these, you have to sell the tops or buy the bottoms, not the middle or not sell the bottoms. And if you do want to sell the bottoms, you have to be quick now because you're going to get smoked. And I did get smoked with news. I wasn't supposed to get smoked with news, but whatever. Anyways, um, so we see this break and we're like, okay, it held one. Didn't want to break here. I don't care if this is news. It's still, and this is the thing. I'll talk to you guys about that another thing. Doesn't want to hold. I mean, doesn't want to break. Wicks, wicks, breaks, false breaks. Wick here that shows us potential buyers. A trend that's pushing up. It doesn't want to break. None of these candles, 5-minute candles, want to test the bottoms. So that initially means that there's only one way that it can go. It can go sideways or it can go up, or two ways. And sideways, we still could see a bottom or a short term trend to the lows, whatever, retest of the lows and so on. But it broke. We saw volume come in with green volume, no red here. Look at this, no red. There's mini reds, that's like mini pullbacks. We're not even seeing the right charts right there. Look, huge volume, huge volumes, huge volumes, and then we go in. And we're just like a break of 1,900s. We got 6 contracts in. We sold at right here, right here, and we even bought it really high, like 906. 6 contracts. We got a 16, 16s, 13s, and one. We even sold it flat. But either way, we got 5, 10 points. That's 50 points. That's 50 points, and 50 points with what is that? That's $100. And then we were up. And then we continued to trade. We're like, all right, this looks good. We trended um the reversals, and that's it. That was pretty much it. I wanted it. I traded something here, but it wasn't nothing. It was nothing. It was like $2, $5, something like that. We could have kept trading the trend moves just because it never broke. That means we're going up. But we don't know if we were gonna win or we don't know if we're gonna lose. I really don't know, guys. Can we get a payout? Can we receive our first payout? Is Top Step a true prop firm that pays us out? We have $3,000 with profits. If you see here, this is all my trades. I don't have a Discord. I don't follow news. Well, I do follow news. I don't go on Twitter and buy on key levels where they say. I don't ask my friends. I don't ask my dad. I don't ask my mom. I don't do anything about that. I come in strictly the day of the markets, and I trade. And sincerely, right now it's been 3 days, 3 profitable days, con- continuity and persistency, and also not being scared of what's gonna happen. If we blow this account, we blow this account. But the idea is, can we trade smart, trade the charts, not look at our profit, and not and understand that if we lose, we lose, and basically just follow our rules, follow our trading plan, and follow what we see in the charts. Um, and that was it, guys. That those are my stupid trades that I took. One of them was great. The other one was, I would say news fucked everything up, but everything else was great. Um, Tomorrow I'm gonna trade again and Wednesday, and we have 2 days. Today is April 14th. We have 2 days until we know if they're gonna pay us out. Remember, we need $200 for both days. Each day, basically, we need 400 in profits. And can we see that? But again, guys, this is not an easy task. This is really, really, really risky. Um, you cannot say the you cannot trade the same way I trade unless you understand the risks behind it. I am telling you guys right now, this took me years to master. I'm still not a master. I'm still not on. I still need a lot to learn. I fuck up every day. I review every day. As you can see, I lost a lot of money today, and understanding that when it comes with risk, either you lose or you win, and entering a trade has two results, only two results, and you have to be okay with both. I'm okay with either or, just because I've lost big before and I've won big. But right now, my goal is to understand, to really know if these prop firms can make you and give you a payout. Right now, we don't know. There's thousands of videos that says, "Oh yeah, I've gotten paid out 5,000, 10,000. I've gotten paid out 2,000." Honestly, I don't believe any of that shit. I don't believe any of that shit. Um, I trade my own money. I trade my own in Thinkorswim. I had to save a lot of money to trade, so that's what I'm doing. But with this leveraging, with these accounts that I can trade with other people's money, is something that I'm new and I'm experiencing. But understanding the levels and the risks of it, they give you 30 mini contracts to play with. What the fuck? Like, bro, 30 mini contracts in the NASDAQ, you lose 10 points, blows my mind. That's 300 points already. And 300 points times 200, what is that? Anyways, times, what am I saying, to 200 times times 100, whatever. I don't even know. I'm too done for the day. Um, you guys just know it's a lot of money. 30 contracts is it's a lot. It's a lot of money. Um, and losing that in your whole savings, basically, it's tough. So trading, being consistent, understanding the risk, understanding the markets. Um, we trade differently than everybody else, and this is my own profits. This is what I do. Can we have 2 more days of payouts? Not payouts, 2 more days of green, and possibly get a payout on Wednesday. If we do get a payout on Wednesday, find out. I want to know. I want to know. Can we get a payout on Wednesday? But like, if you have any questions, any any concerns, if you wanna talk about trading, if you want, I actually don't have any trader friends. This is all myself. I'm a lone wolf. This is strictly years of just being in the screen. And if you do want to learn, if you do want to see possibly, potentially, other trades that I take, yeah, we can talk about it. I don't mind. Um, but 3 days green, I'm excited, but at the same time, I take it like as another day. Tomorrow we restart from zero, no feelings, no emotions. When we come and trade, is strictly our job to be emotionless, be fearless, take whatever we can see. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. And just another day in the markets to come and possibly get a payout from Top Step. Are we gonna do it? Are they gonna pay us out? I don't know. I don't know. I don't believe anything the the internet says. I don't believe most of the things it's on YouTube. A lot of things on YouTube are shitty. Um, and I take it as a with a grain of salt that some things are true, but I'm doing this live. I'm doing this right now. Today is April 14th, 7 p.m. Today we made $950 and I'm tired. All right, guys, I'm going to the gym. Do your thing. Don't take trading as your only thing, um, as the only way of living. Have other things. Have other hobbies. Go out there, play sports, go and compete, go to the gym, run, do whatever you have to do to be healthy. First of all, healthy, and then second of all, um, can you be can you be uh, on a good way of living to trade stocks, trade futures, trade the markets. If you have a lot of traumas, a lot of anxiety, a lot going on in your life, trading is not for you. Um, unless and if you need money ASAP, this is not for you. Money doesn't come like this quickly. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Tomorrow we trade again, and hopefully we're green. I am so excited to start this journey, but if Top Step doesn't pay us, we have to close that account. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in tomorrow. Like.